It's been a couple of months that I'm back from my Jaisalmer ride, and actually just a month. And since the day I've come back, I wanted to replace my rear tire because it had loads of cuts, and somehow we survived from Jaisalmer till Pune because I couldn't get the right size. Even after coming to Pune, I just could not get the right size. I've contacted a lot of, because Himalayan stock tires, the rear tire comes with Seat, comes from Seat company, and the dimensions are 120, 90, 17. So we couldn't get that tire anywhere. Even Seat showrooms that I went to, they said the company has stopped making it, and which is insane. You cannot have this tire go out of market because there are vehicles that are still selling with the same size of tires. So I definitely knew they were not being honest or something. So I was very confused about what to do, where do I get the tire from, unless I remembered Sonu Paji. Now, if you guys remember, if you guys have seen my previous vlogs, we have Sonu Paji's shop in Pimpri in Pune, and that's the guy who can help you in such situations, and which is what I did. I called him and I asked him I wanted the rear tire. He said it's available, please come over. And I went there. This is a crack that happened in Jaisalmer, and I got the bike the way it was from Jaisalmer. It was a cut actually, and it was bad. Let's check if we find. Whoa, look at this. There's already something in there. Whoa. There's already a nail in it. So that's what I did, and I'll show you a few pics about the new tire. Let's go. This is a new tire, guys. From Seat. I can tell you the dimensions. Dimensions here they are 120, 90, 17. These are the dimensions of the tire, and that's the exact tire that I was looking for. We took care of it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I hope you guys subscribe. I really need people to subscribe to the channel because I need a little bit of support to get this channel going. And if you need anything, please comment down below and I'll get back to you. Thank you. ये पोजीशन पे होगा ना, वो तो गया, ये साइड से नहीं, तो ये साइड उधर से काला नहीं आ रहा।